Much colder into the new year. Temperatures so much lower for all of us with Arctic air. Sleet and snow forecast, as well as frozen ground, frost and ice. Lots of weather warnings in place for winter hazards through the first few days of 2026. A cold theme this New Year's Day with wintry conditions across Scotland. Fresh falls of snow here, blowing snow across the higher routes with keen winds. Awful if you're having to travel. Blizzard-like conditions for a time here. Otherwise, a few showers into the west, turning wintry across higher ground. Elsewhere, staying dry and so much colder if you factor in that biting northerly wind, something of a wind chill and something we might have to get used to in the next few days. As for this evening and tonight, temperatures tumble, widespread sharp frost. Minus double digits across parts of rural Scotland with fresh falls of snow here. Elsewhere, well below freezing with not only frost but turning icy in places, and a combination of rain, sleet and snow moving through Northern Ireland, parts of Wales and England into the small hours. So much colder into the new year. I think you've got the idea. Some sleet and snow forecast, freezing, frosty, icy conditions as temperatures fall away. Numerous weather warnings in place for winter hazards as we go into the first few days of 2026. An amber warning for heavy snow through parts of Scotland through much of tomorrow. And the Arctic air with us for the time being, and the cold feel will be severely enhanced by a biting, bitter northerly wind, adding something of a wind chill, frozen ground, frost and ice. Something of a deep freeze in the next few nights, with heavy snow across Scotland and blustery showers around exposed coastlines, giving a wintry mix of rain, sleet and snow. As for the next few hours, freezing and frosty as temperatures fall, as low as -1, -2 in towns and cities, much lower in the countryside, as low as -10 where we've got the lying snow across Scotland. Some heavy blowing snow through the night and into the small hours with blizzard-like conditions across the highest routes. And then further west, further south, a wintry mix of rain, sleet and snow here as we go into the first stages of the new day. Elsewhere, clear and crisp, but for all of us, bitterly cold with frost and ice. So a very wintry scene into Friday morning with rain, sleet and snow across the north, the west and the south initially. Elsewhere, bright blue skies and beautiful sparkling sunshine. The heaviest snow likely across Scotland for much of the day, and we've got further blustery showers into the west, giving a wintry mix of rain, sleet and snow, much of the snow across the highest ground. Elsewhere, beautifully bright with the brilliant blue skies, but feeling so cold, temperatures barely above freezing, and if you factor in the biting winds, feeling bitter out there. So much colder into the new year, freezing and frosty as temperatures fall away with sleet and snow in the forecast. We've got numerous weather warnings in place for winter hazards into the first few days of 2026. An amber warning for heavy snow across parts of Scotland tomorrow. And the cold feel enhanced for all of us by a biting, bitter northerly wind. As for the next few hours, frozen ground with a harsh widespread frost, turning icy with slippy surfaces, heavy snow blowing in on brisk northerly winds across Scotland, and a combination of rain, sleet and snow moving through Northern Ireland, Wales and parts of central southern Britain into the night and the first hours of the new day. A very wintry scene into Friday morning with the frost, the ice, the sleet and snow across the south and the west, and the heavy snow across Scotland. Elsewhere, beautifully bright, clear and crisp, sparkling winter sunshine, but for some of us barely above freezing all day, bitterly cold, even more so in the winds.